Foota hype, you're a hypocrite. Because you see him one say Vybz Kartel for rotting in a prison. And all of a sudden now you're him biggest fans. Eh? And you big him up the most right now. And you see him one say him for rotting in a prison, you know. Also, you's not a good friend neither. Because you go both say, you make Mavado rich. How the frig you make Mavado rich and now you can't rich, brother? You know one good friend, brother, you's a hypocrite. A long time I shine one about you, you know, brother. Long time. And that's why even one day I see you running and I say, you can't stay there. Because we know the snake them, you know. We know the snake them, that's why we don't keep friend with anybody. You get to me and say you's a hypocrite, brother. And you a whole long most of you them in a dance hall. You get to me and say behind them back. Because remember, sir, you see him once a Kartel for rotting in a prison, brother. So all of a sudden Kartel is the biggest fan of Kartel, brother. Yeah? All of a sudden now you and Flex and Mavado did a friend you start this all the man them you go say you boss Mavado and you make Mavado get rich. So never bounty killer. Eh? Brother, you no real to nobody, right? This year this all bounty killer, cause bounty killer boss Mavado, brother. And Mavado boss Flex. You and Chase Cross them did a friend, brother, you see you know, you hold on the young artists them and you fight against the big artists them. You're not real to nobody. That's why your career end up with ease, brother, because you know wish good for people. Karma is a hell of a something, you know, brother. What goes around, come back around. Do good and good follow you, bro. And every minute you get up and complain about people bad mind and people are fighting. And you a bad mind and hypocrite, brother. You have to stop it, man. And let go the young youth them want to try with them career to allow the artists them who already have them career, make them survive, brother.